So I'm making my chicken tikka tacos with a cap salsa, which is corn, avocado, and pineapple. I made tacos last week.
To have a dish that looks enticing and delicious, and the flavors there are explosive. Darn good taco.
Thank you so much, chefs. I appreciate that. But my friends and family love tacos, and I cook these a lot.
Hopefully these chicken tacos taste as good as the Korean ones and the judges like it.
I just need to keep pushing myself and impress the judges even more. Round one, the judges said they wanted more heat. So the star of this dish is the marinade, which has a lot of chili. Sylvia, sweetheart,
Yes, yes.
my Mexican
Darling.
mother.
Okay.
Here, please try this
Okay.
for me. What do you think? Is it good?
That's right.
It's great?
Yeah. We know it's a competition, but now it is like we're part of our family. Ooh, is it spicy? Yeah, oh my gosh. It's building, it's building. It's so humble that they come and ask me for my opinion, right? Because they're great cooks.
You know, the judges say they want more spice and some more flavor. Well, I'm giving it to them. Good thing I got a fireman right here in front of me.
Yeah, yes.
Oh my God, Tony.
Sorry.
No, that's his. We're getting
Which
it from
one?
both ends, Irma.
What do you got going on over there?
Yeah, I'm trying to smoke the place out here, Brian.
Well, you know, you just got to bring it.
So sorry, it's all the spices. Luckily, my salsa will probably cool it down a lot.
Got to get in there with the hands. So today I'm making a trio of tacos. We've got shrimp tacos for my wife. She loves shrimp. She eats it mostly. We've got beef for all the meat eaters in the family, and we've got beans for our vegetarian friends. I am the third one in the barn this round, making tacos. Here you go. I want to punch it up and bring the flavor. One of the important components of my dish is a habanero salsa. And it's a very pungent aroma and pungent heat.
Whew, those peppers. Those peppers are floating.
Are we getting hot or what? I've been known to clear our home from time to time when I puree chilies. My wife has sent me out to the porch multiple times to do this. Woo! It is hot in this kitchen.
It adds flavor. This round I'm gonna make chicken pot pie because it's chicken pot pie. I mean, who doesn't like chicken pot pie? We all love chicken pot pie in my house. My kids, me, everybody I make it for. There we go. Come on out, little Dobo. It's got a flaky little crust that I love to make, and it's a simple recipe. It's usually peas, carrots, sometimes potatoes, corn, typical medley. I add a lot of oregano, and I use sour cream. Sour cream is my winning touch because it adds a little tang. All right, I give that to God. I'm happy with the filling, but I start getting nervous about the crust. Did bring my rolling pin from home, so hopefully it gives me good luck. 45 minutes left.
Oh my.
Here we go, here we go. Round two, I am cooking a crowd pleaser. My family loves soul food, so what I would normally make is fried chicken, black-eyed peas, and cornbread. But this time, I'm making a vegetarian version. Come on, Jesus, and help me. So I'm doing southern fried cauliflower, soul food salsa with black-eyed peas, and corn muffins with a jalapeno topping.
Hey, Bambi, how we doing?
We're doing it, baby. We're doing it.
And this is a dish you've made before for someone special?
Yes, I made it for my niece who moved out to California. And I went out there to visit, and I was actually making brunch for her friends. And she was like, oh, my friends have so many food restrictions. I said, honey, I grew up in the South. What is food restrictions? Honey, we will eat roadkill as long as it's cooked good and dressed well.
So just make sure that when you're spending all this time and love in every single dish, you know, and every ingredient that you're making, when you go and plate it, spend just as much time on that. Like, I've seen your outfits. I see how you roll. Like, I want to see the same thing. Yes, I want to see the same thing with the food.
So you want my food to be fabulous?
Yes,
like me.
exactly.
Yes.
That Bambi fabulousness in every bite.
Accessorize.
I will. Thank you
All right,
so
thank
very
you,
much.
Bambi.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Was that hot? This round, I'm making gnocchis with buffalo mozzarella and tomato sauce. Gnocchis are a potato pasta. My grandkids will eat it because I tell them it's macaroni and cheese, and the old timers in the family love it. My grandmother and my aunts taught me to make this when I was a little kid, and I'm pretty much the last one in the family that I know of that makes it. You add some egg, flour, salt, Parmesan Reggiano, and you mix them all together and you form them into little dumplings. With the gnocchis, I like to roll them across something that has a little texture to it. Obviously, I'm not at my house, so I don't have something that I would generally roll on. Then I see this platter of some sort that's like an oak log that they cut, and it has all ridges on it, and I'm like, this could work. Gnocchi needs the ridges because it has to hold the sauce, or else it's just gonna slide off. It'd be like putting sauce on an eel.
Check out Dan. Dan is using the board to get the edges for his gnocchi.
That is so rad. Yeah,
That's
pay no
fantastic.
attention to me using a huge slab of wood from the back as I roll my gnocchi.
I'm so impressed.
Time for everybody to go in the pool.
All right, that ought to do it. 8 eggs. I am making a potato crusted quiche. When our family gets together for the holidays and everyone's staying at the house, everyone expects a quiche for breakfast. We've been doing that ever since the kids are little.
Hello, Robin.
Hello.
Hi. So we've seen you make pot pie. We've seen you make delicious pastries. You're baking again, but it's gluten-free.
It's gluten-free because the crust is potatoes. And if it comes out right, they might feel like French fries.
Oh, that's delicious.
And my little bit of Mediterranean is that I make the filling in there that's kind of like a spanakopita dough. So it has lemon and garlic. And
I love
So
spanakopita. Yeah.
What inspired you to make this dish gluten-free?
As my kids have grown up, they're gluten-free, they're this and that. And so I created this, and now everybody can eat it.
Can't wait to try it.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Got to protect this crust so it doesn't burn. I'm feeling good about this round. The only thing I'm waiting for is to make sure if my quiche cooks in time for it to cool and set so I can slice it.
Maybe I'm getting one more, maybe I'm not. We shall see. I'm a home cook, so in my kitchen, there is a calmness. Me. But this is competition, which actually ups the nerves a little bit because I feel like there's more high stakes here.
We're at 15 minutes. Okay.
Time is of the essence. It is a thick crust. I want them to get brown. I want them to fully cook. So I have no intentions of taking it out until the very last second. It's coming right down to the wire today.
4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have to count or I'm gonna lose count.
I'm making 3 tacos, beef, beans, and of course, shrimp tacos.
We're gonna hit habanero salsa on this sucker and hit it with the crema and then hit it with a little queso fresco. Winning would be validation for my flavor profiles and recipes.
And taste 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And water 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I love the experimentation. I love pushing the boundaries and borders on flavor, but not everyone is acceptable to that.
We've got 5 minutes left.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, go, go.
Tit for tat. Good luck. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh boy. Yeah.
Oh!
There's a lot of smells happening. There is some spice in the air.
Yeah.
I hear some hollering, right? I hear.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh man, what is in that? Whoa.
Fire roasted habaneros. Oh!
That's friendly fire, my friend.
If you get the hiccups, that sauce is too hot. I had not seen Tony get the hiccups.
Looks like Tony's either yelling in pain or in anger at Brian for trying something.
You know, you want to be careful with the spice. We all love spice, but we still want to be able to taste the food and enjoy it. There is that line of like just giving us enough and where it's just too much.
Right.
Especially when the challenge is to please a crowd.
Exactly.
Right?
I hope they brought some water bottles.
Hi, this is Leah Cohen. I'm so excited to be a judge on the Great American Recipe on PBS. See how much fun this show is with the special collection. You can watch the full competition on the PBS Video app. Want to recreate one of the recipes? Head over to pbs.org/food.